Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. I'm so excited you're here. We have our second set of spoilers today from FabFitFun. What I realized I left out of the first video that I will say now is FabFitFun is a lifestyle box. They generally put in makeup, skincare, goods for your home, sometimes apparel like robes like this month, that kind of thing. And it's $49.95 unless you pay for a year in advance, and then it works out to $44.95 per box. And I will put my link below, and if you sign up you have $10 off your first box. So I will tell you that we have new spoilers, our second round of spoilers that's the same as before. It's the second spoiler, and it's 4 items for customization that you can choose between. And just like yesterday, whichever one you don't pick, you can add on for $15 if it's still available. In addition to that, I also have add-ons that will be available and the pricing for that. So I will put that in this video too. And I will circle back to the first spoilers, but I'll do that at the end for everybody who saw my other video. But if you missed the first video, at the end I will put the spoilers from the first customization choice. Okay, let's move forward. The first customization choice we have is a 111 Skin Rose Gold Brightening Facial Treatment Mask. And you get 5 masks that they say have a retail value of $160. When I went out looking for these, I found them at Nordstrom, so I believe that retail value is accurate. Here's a little more about that. These 5 single-use masks have 24 karat gold in them. They brighten, firm, and optimize moisture levels. You use them for 20 minutes and then pat the remaining into your skin. And the next spoiler we have are the West Elm Indigo tie-dye bowls. They have a retail value of $39. Here they are. These 3 cute little ceramic bowls from West Elm have a 3, 5, and 8 ounce capacity and are microwave and dishwasher safe. The next customization choice we have is the Summer and Rose Navy Diamond Tote that they say has a retail value of $50. And here that is. This Summer and Rose Navy Tote is 19.2 inches by 14.11 inches, has rope handles, a navy diamond print, and a snap closure. The last customization we have for our second spoiler is the XO Sienna Black Felt Letterboard, and it comes with a bag of letters, and they say that it has a $35 retail value, and here's more about that. This 10 by 10 premium black felt letterboard comes with a metal sawtooth mount and a linen bag with 189 letters, numbers, and symbols. All right, so that is our 4 choices for our second customization. You get to pick which one of those you want, and you can add the rest if they're still available for $15 a piece. Okay, now let's move on to add-ons. Add-ons are something that when they release them, which they're going to do May 6th if you're an annual member and May 9th if you're a seasonal member, they are just items that they have available that you can add on to your box, so that when you get your box of goodies, you've not only made your customization choices and gotten the other items, but you can add these on also. So these are those items. First, we have the Bandu Just Chill Out Cooler Bag in Paradiso that they are selling for $19, and it was originally $39. And this is what that looks like. This pretty floral bag is a microfiber with a PEVA lining. Next, we have the Beauty Blender Liquid Blender Cleanser that you can add on for $11, and it was originally $30. And this is what that looks like. This is formulated with coconut oil to clean both your makeup brushes and your beauty blenders. The third add-on option is a Luxie Eye Essential Brush that they are selling for $14, and they say was originally $45. And this is what that one looks like. This 5-piece eye brush set has synthetic bristles and bamboo handles. Next, we have the Pure Cosmetics Bronzed and Beautiful Glow Kit that you can add on for $14, and the original price was $48. You can use these colors separately or blended and apply to cheeks, forehead, and collarbones. And the last add-on option that we have is the Lily Sadohi, who we've had in a box before, small paper lily earrings, and they are $39 and originally were $125, and this is what they look like. These pretty earrings are made of acetate and have surgical steel posts. That is what I have for today's spoiler. The second spoiler, which is the 4 customization choices. You pick the one you want, and you can do additional choices for $15 if they're still available. And then I have the add-ons, which I've given you the prices of, that you just add on to your box if you'd like to have them. And they ship with your box. That's it for my new spoilers. So if you've seen my first video with the original spoiler on it, I will talk to you later. If you haven't, stick around and I'll show them to you again. Okay, if you missed my first video, I could link you to it. I'll try and do that here. But if not, I will tell you again what they were. The first choice was the Sutra Professional Mini Travel Blow Dryer, and it's a soft marbly color. I'll show you the picture. This mini travel blow dryer has a $60 value. The second choice was a VIX Paula Hermini Lotus towel that's just beautiful, and this is what that looks like. This lotus-shaped towel is 59 inches and has a $50 value. The third was the Sol de Janeiro Boom Boom Cream and the Foreplay Cream Gel Cleanser. It looks good too. This is what it looks like. You get both the Boom Boom Cream and the shower gel, and it's a $45 value. And the fourth was the Spiritual Gangster Maya Kimono, and this is what that looks like. This robe has pockets, fits a size 0 to 16, and a $60 value. So if you'd like more information on any of those, check out my first spoiler post on those because I've got a little more information on them. But now you're up to date. So there have been 2 spoilers, 1 add-on spoiler, and we have 1 more spoiler to come. I've got my link below if you'd like to sign up for FabFitFun, and I will talk to you guys as soon as the next spoiler comes out. Bye.